If you are planning to decorate your patio space, there are several options you could consider. To stay for longer in your patio space, sleek, comfy seats and surfaces are a must. Whatever the occasion, you and your guests will need somewhere to kick up your feet and put down cocktails and snacks. In addition, covering from sun and rain ensures the soiree can continue no matter the weather. Backyard pergola ideas are a great start, but so are umbrellas, especially if you want a flexible setup. Nature-inspired materials and colors effortlessly complement an outdoor setting. So, opt for eco-friendly cork, wood, linen, and soft natural hues for a tranquil and cohesive look. These are just some tips for you to consider. For more ideas, we have gathered you some inspiration images of what others have done in this video. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of patio design ideas and backyard garden landscaping ideas for your house exterior decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational daily decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Among the different additions you can consider for your patio, adding a water feature is one option. A water feature, like a bubbling bird bath or wall fountain, can do just the trick. You can choose an element with a black bottom, which will create a darker surface that reflects sky and trees, making your outdoor space feel bigger. Just make sure your water feature doesn't overwhelm your porch. You can skip the long, vanishing edge-style pool. Add a smaller water element into a small space, and make it seem larger. Any beautiful space is appealing because of its composition. You can practice your riff or design, get in touch with a professional or try one of the top online patio design apps. Something warming for cooler evenings. It can be as simple as pretty blankets. But for a more integrated patio design, consider glassy fire pit ideas. As we have repeatedly talked in our previous videos, there are several fire pit options for you to choose from and use. Whatever you do, give priority to relaxation and comfort. Your backyard is a really private location for you. It's your sanctuary. It ought to be a place where you can unwind. You might even make it into a spa-like setting. Perhaps you want to relax in an integrated jacuzzi, swim in a full-fledged pool, or simply park a yoga mat and catch some rays. Tranquility and comfort should be a crucial component of any garden design, regardless of your decision. After all, vacationing in your own backyard is fairly popular these days. Vegetation should be part of every patio space as much as possible. One option of achieving a vegetation cover is to use vertical gardens, especially if you have limited floor space. Vertical gardens are wall-like structures covered with this vegetation. Green walls and vertical gardens are a space-efficient way to bring a touch of nature to your patio area. They are fun to design and don't require any more maintenance than other outdoor greenery. One option of making is a vertical garden requires you to install a trellis and plant creeping vines at the bottom to create a living privacy screen. As an alternative, you can put up a tiered stand for planters, or install flower boxes and hanging pots on an existing wall. Fill your patio with luxury. For this you need to choose best furniture pieces and arrange them systematically in the patio area. Like oversized furniture, layers of pattern and flowy fabrics can elevate a small space. Limited square footage is an opportunity to explore and experiment with backyard patio ideas. In fact, it's encouraged. Patterns and different textures can fill the area with interest and intrigue. It can even feel slightly bigger as a result. So, to get it just right, balance motifs with neutral block colors. A patterned rug and scatter pillows, for instance, are perfect with light furniture and flowy curtains. A clear footpath, rather than a garish stay off the lawn signage, is a useful tactic to keep pedestrian traffic off the grass. Walkways can be basic pebbles, stone or concrete tiles, wood slats, ornate concrete, and more, based on your backyard landscape style. Gardens filled with flowers are attractive, but garden pots and beds provide a special touch to your outdoor landscaping. Raised flower beds are easier on the lower back since they need less stooping to trim, plant, and manage them. Well viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked patio design ideas and backyard garden landscaping ideas for your house exterior decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.